Hello everyone and welcome to your very own channel Crypto Paper. Are you a cryptocurrency enthusiast? Are you looking for some trusted coins to invest in? Are you interested in becoming a millionaire and want to change your life? You are just in the right place because I'm going to suggest you some altcoins that can change your life. Keep on watching this video. There are a lot of things that make crypto very attractive. The biggest one is the opportunity to make a lot of money, said Douglas Bonepath, a certified financial planner and president of Bonafide Wealth in New York. Besides the fact that such big earnings can change your life completely, you always have the risk of losing your money. But according to a recent survey by CNBC, a CNBC Momentive Invest in You survey, more than 10% of the surveyed people were interested in cryptocurrencies, keeping in view that the percentage was less than 5% a few years ago. So, when more people are getting interested in investing in cryptocurrencies because of the advanced blockchain technologies and comparatively easier trades in digital assets, let me introduce some credible and trusted cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. Have the coins Cardano, VeChain, and XRP ever crossed your mind? Probably because they all have gained enormous hike in values and popularity by the year 2021. Today, they are considered to be specialist coins and have ranked in the top 30 cryptocurrencies in the world. Let's get started with individual introductions of all. Cardano was created by Charles Hoskinson in 2015, who was also the co-founder of Ethereum. Its token ADA was launched in 2017, and it's actually a third-generation decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain network, also known as a greener blockchain than Ethereum and Bitcoin, because of not relying on the proof-of-work concept of mining, and has faster speeds and less energy usage than both. Each development done in the network, done by engineers, is always backed by well-researched data and peer-reviewed insights. Recently, new updates are announced which are about the smart contracts. The developers of the Cardano state that the new smart contract launch will reassure investors about the sustainability of the coin. After carrying out its final tests, the team will say that it will launch the smart contract upgrade called Alonzo on September 12th. The date 12th December is a commitment in crypto market that has given the coin's value a considerable boost. According to Forbes Advisor, the market cap of Cardano is over $69 billion and a trading volume of $1 billion. Cardano is renowned for being one of the first crypto projects that use proof-of-stake validation by removing the competitive, problem-solving part of transaction verification found in platforms like Bitcoin. This solution reduces transaction time, energy consumption, and environmental effect. Cardano functions similarly to Ethereum in that it uses ADA, its native coin, to enable smart contracts and decentralized apps. In comparison to other prominent crypto coins, Cardano's ADA token has grown slowly. The price of ADA in 2017 was 2 cents. Its current price is $2.11 as of August 2021. This represents a rise of more than 10,000%. While looking at its meteoric rise in the market value of its coin, it's making me think to invest in the coin right now. What do you think? VeChain. Sunny Lu, the former Chief Information Officer CIO of Louis Vuitton China, established VeChain in 2015. It began as a subsidiary of Bitsy, one of China's major blockchain startups, and is one of the few blockchains with a considerable number of established companies as customers. The main goal of this blockchain is to increase the traceability and transparency of supply chain so that no customer receives any fake product. The Ven coin ran on the Ethereum network at first. In 2018, VeChain renamed itself and moved to its own blockchain. The Ven blockchain was renamed the VeChain Thor blockchain as a part of the rebranding. VeChain is a distributed ledger technology platform that aims to improve supply chain management and business processes. Its purpose is to leverage distributed ledger technology to streamline these operations and information flow for complicated supply chains. VeChain Token and VeChain Thor Energy are two different types of tokens on the VeChain network. The former is used to transport currency across VeChain's network, while the latter is used to power smart contract transactions as energy or gas. The VeChain blockchain platform's goals are laid out in its white paper. Its initial goal was to disrupt the supply chain sector by making data more accessible and actionable. It also intends to be a pioneer in VeChain-based decentralized applications and initial coin offerings, as well as an IoT middleman. VeChain has a proof-of-authority protocol system. This is an offshoot of the proof-of-stake system. As a result of its dual token supply structure, the total supply of tokens is slightly inflationary as a result. VeChain is here to stay. Look for the token positioned to do very well this year as its blockchain popularity rises. VeChain has the advantage of paying a dividend. Every bearer of VET tokens receives an offshoot coin called Thor or VThor. As of May 20th, the market price of VTHO was a little below 1.15 cents. VTHO tokens are worth 4.958 cents every 10,000 VET tokens on a daily basis, or $18.1 per year. The dividend yield is around 1.44% each year. Because 10,000 VET tokens are worth $1,256, this dividend is given out in VTHO tokens to VET token owners on a daily basis, thus compels you to invest in VeChain right now. The VeChain Foundation's wallet was hacked in late 2019, and 1.1 billion VET tokens were taken, valued $6.53 million at the time. The charity used a software package from cybersecurity firm Hacken to trace the stolen coins. The addresses associated with the hacker who stole the VeChain tokens were also blacklisted by exchanges. The total supply cap of VeChain is set at 86.712 billion VET tokens. According to CoinMarketCap, there are 64.3156 billion VET tokens in circulation, which implies that 25.8% of the total supply is available for validation. This blockchain also have with real-world partnerships like Shanghai, China. June 2nd, 2021, Renji Hospital, a top-ranking hospital in China affiliated with the Shanghai Jiaotong University School of Medicine, has announced the launch of MyBaby, the world's first blockchain-based in vitro fertilization service application. In collaboration with VeChain and DNV, through this app, the parents will be able to see all the developments in their baby themselves. Partnerships like these will create high demand for the tokens, thus leading to a higher value of VeChain tokens, making it fit for fruitful investments. Last but not the least, the XRP, a coin having a market cap of over $52 billion, was created by the founders of Ripple Labs. The Ripple network allows real-world assets to be transferred from one bank to another or from one party to another in less time and with no transaction fees. However, because the network is a pool of the company's native cryptocurrency, a small amount of XRP is taken from each transaction. This isn't a means of remunerating traders. The Ripple network does not run on a proof-of-work system like Bitcoin or proof-of-stake like Next, which is one of the intriguing aspects of XRP. Ripple is made up of three distinct but interconnected entities. The Ripple network, Ripple or RippleNet, a financial transaction network based on digital payments. XRP, exchange-traded product. Ripple is a digital currency based on the Ripple network. Ripple Labs is a company that develops software. The Ripple network, XRP, and other blockchain payment solutions for financial institutions are developed by this company. Ripple's goal is to make financial transactions as simple as possible. Typically, financial payment processing systems are unnecessarily complicated and scattered, and this frequently leads to high payments, long wait times, and an element of unreliability. Ripple provides an alternate platform for cross-border payments that is 100% safe, instantaneous, and essentially free. Ripple may also support payments in any currency, including cryptocurrency. According to Forbes Advisor, at the beginning of 2017, the price of XRP was $0.006. As of August 2021, its price reached $1.14, equal to a rise of almost 19,000%. Currently, the price of Ripple coin is presently $1.32. To put it another way, it's a bargain compared to the high point priorly in 2018. For less than a few $100s, you can get a significant number of Ripple. Even a simple wager of $50 will net you like more than 200 coins. In 2018, Ripple reached an all-time high of around $3.1, but some market analysts anticipate it will break beyond the $1,000 barrier in the next 10 years. Other forecasts are significantly more upbeat. Buying some Ripple is a relatively low-risk choice with the potential of a large return on investment given its low price and increasing widespread appeal, so it isn't a bad choice for the investment. I hope that you liked my video. Please subscribe to our channel for more.